Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Gateway Solutions. How are you? Hope you all are safe and sound. Today in this video we are going to talk about cat command in Linux. This is our 17th video of our course Linux for Beginner 2021. Before starting a class, I am requesting to you please subscribe my channel and also press bell icon for notification of upcoming videos. In the previous lecture we saw the cd command of Linux. In this course I am using Kali, which is Debian based Linux distribution. Cat command means concatenate file. Cat is a most of frequently used command in Linux Unix like operating system. Cat command allows us to create a single or a multiple files, view content of the files, concatenate files, as well as redirect output in terminal or file. Cat command comes from its functionality to concatenate files, means merge things together. These are few screenshots of cat commands. Let's go ahead and run Kali Linux. Open your terminal. The most basic command and common usage of the cat command is to read the content of the file. For example, we will want to display the content of my file. That's for example, we will want to display the content of my text file on the terminal. As you see, we are already listed the files with ls command, and you see we have a two text files. First is my text file and second is my text file 2. Let's check the content of my text file with the help of cat. The syntax of command is cat space file name. Okay, as you know, our file name is my text file. So type your file name and press enter. This is the data of our file. Okay, if you want to add new word in this file or we want to append this file, you can use the double greater than symbol, cat space double greater than file name, and press enter. Type your text you want to add in file. This is appended data. Okay, press Ctrl C to terminate. Let's see the content of the file again with the cat command. As you see, one more line is added into the file. What happened if we use a single greater than symbol? Let's clear the screen. You can clear the screen with the help of keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus L, or you can use clear command. Let's check. If we use single greater than symbol, then what happens? Okay, press enter. Type your text. This is my file data, and press Ctrl C. Let's check again data. So as you see, single greater than symbol overrides the entire content with new line just added. But when we are using a double greater than symbol, then one more line is added to the file. Mean with the help of double greater than symbol, our file is appended and with the help of single greater than symbol our file is overwritten. So let's clear screen again. ls, this is our second file, my text file 2. Let's see the content of the my text file 2. This time use cat command, okay, and press enter. In this file we have in this line the second file data, okay. We want to see multiple files data, then what to do? You can use cat command and type the file names, first file name, second file name. If we want to see the 3 files data, then third file name. We have 2 files, so I am giving here 2 names, okay. This is the content of my text file, and this is the content of my text file 2. Next command, let's redirect the content of data from one file to another or a second file. Cat space first file name, then greater than symbol and second file name, and press enter. Let's explain first. This command will copy the content of my text file to my text file 3 using a single greater than symbol. If the my text file 3 does not exist, as you see this we have only 2 files. If the my text file 3 does not exist, the command will create it, otherwise it will overwrite the data. Let's check practically, okay. ls, new file, my text file 3 is created. Let's check the content of my text file, okay. So this is the data of content of my text file, okay. If we use double greater than symbol to append data of existing file, then what happened? We can use here my text file 2, and this line, the second file data, is a content of my text file 2. We are using here double greater than symbol, and this is our my text file, this is our my text file 3, and now I am going to press enter. Let's check again data of my text file 3. As you see, the text from my text file 2 is inserted or added into my text file 3, okay. Hope you understand about cat command in Linux. If you have any query, you can comment me below in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you again in next video. Bye.